As people age, it is common to notice changes in how the joints feel and function. Many individuals experience stiffness in their knees when getting out of bed, discomfort in their hands after daily activities like cooking or gardening, or difficulty while climbing stairs. These changes can happen due to several factors, including years of wear and tear, reduced muscle strength, lower levels of physical activity, excess body weight, and the natural aging process of the body. Although no food can stop aging, proper nutrition plays an important role in maintaining joint health. This is why researchers have shown increasing interest in certain herbs and spices that have been used in traditional diets for centuries. Among these, turmeric and black pepper have gained significant attention. To understand their importance, it is helpful to explore how they work inside the body. The science behind turmeric. Turmeric is derived from the root of a plant related to ginger and has been used for thousands of years in Asian cooking and traditional wellness practices. Its bright yellow color comes from a natural compound called curcumin, which is the main focus of scientific research. Curcumin is studied for its potential role in supporting the body's natural response to inflammation. Inflammation is not always harmful. It is a normal part of the body's healing process. However, when inflammation becomes long-lasting or excessive, it may contribute to stiffness and discomfort in the joints. This is one reason turmeric has become popular among older adults seeking natural ways to support mobility. However, curcumin alone is not easily absorbed by the body, which limits its effectiveness. Why black pepper matters. Black pepper, commonly used as a seasoning, contains a compound called piperine. Research suggests that piperine can significantly improve the absorption of curcumin in the body. In simple terms, black pepper helps the body use turmeric more effectively. This is why many turmeric supplements include black pepper extract and why traditional recipes often combine these two ingredients. Together, they form a powerful combination that has attracted attention from both scientists and health-conscious individuals. What researchers have observed. Over time, researchers have conducted various studies to understand the effects of curcumin on joint health. Some findings suggest that it may help support joint comfort and mobility in certain individuals, while others highlight its role in supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. However, it is important to remember that research is still ongoing, and results may vary from person to person. Turmeric should not be considered a miracle solution, but rather a supportive addition to a healthy lifestyle. Why many adults over 60 love this combination. One of the main reasons turmeric and black pepper are popular is their simplicity and accessibility. Unlike expensive health products, these ingredients are commonly found in most kitchens. They are affordable, easy to use, and can be added to everyday meals without major changes. Many people include them in soups, vegetables, rice dishes, eggs, or warm beverages. Simple daily habits like these are often easier to maintain and can contribute to long-term wellness. A simple golden spice drink. A convenient way to include turmeric and black pepper in your routine is by preparing a warm drink. To make it, boil 1 cup of water and add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder along with a small pinch of black pepper. Let it simmer for a few minutes, then remove it from heat and pour it into a cup. You may add lemon juice or a small amount of honey for taste. This drink can be enjoyed either in the morning or evening as part of a daily routine. Other habits that may help support joint comfort. While turmeric and black pepper can be beneficial, they are only one part of maintaining joint health. Regular physical activity such as walking, stretching, swimming, or cycling helps keep joints flexible. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces pressure on joints, especially in the knees and hips. Staying hydrated and following a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and proteins also supports overall well-being. Combining these habits often provides better results than relying on a single remedy. Reality check. It is important to understand the limitations of turmeric and black pepper. They cannot cure arthritis, repair damaged cartilage instantly, or eliminate joint pain within minutes. They should not replace medical advice or treatment provided by healthcare professionals. However, when used as part of a balanced lifestyle, they may support overall wellness and contribute to better joint health over time. Perhaps the most interesting thing about turmeric and black pepper is that they are not exotic or difficult to find ingredients. In fact, they have been sitting in kitchen cabinets around the world for generations. Long before modern supplements became popular, people were using these spices in traditional recipes and wellness practices. Today, scientific research continues to explore the compounds found in turmeric and black pepper and their potential role in supporting healthy aging. While researchers are still learning more about how these ingredients work, their popularity continues to grow because they are simple, affordable, and easy to incorporate into daily life. For many adults over 60, the goal is not to find a miracle cure. The goal is to stay active, maintain mobility, and continue enjoying everyday activities with family and friends. Small daily habits often make the biggest difference over time, and nutrition is one of those habits that remains within our control. Adding turmeric and black pepper to soups, vegetables, eggs, rice dishes, or warm beverages is a simple step that may contribute to an overall healthy lifestyle. When combined with regular movement, proper hydration, adequate sleep, stress management, and a balanced diet, these spices can become part of a broader approach to supporting long-term wellness. Conclusion. So, what happens when you regularly include turmeric and black pepper in your diet after the age of 60? You provide your body with plant compounds that researchers continue to study for their potential role in supporting the body's natural inflammatory response. You take advantage of the unique relationship between curcumin and piperine, which allows the body to absorb turmeric more effectively. You may also find an easy and affordable way to add flavor and nutritional value to your meals. Most importantly, you develop a simple habit that can fit naturally into a healthy lifestyle. While these spices cannot cure arthritis or eliminate joint discomfort overnight, they may support overall wellness when combined with other healthy choices. Healthy aging rarely depends on one food, one supplement, or one remedy. More often, it is the result of many small decisions repeated consistently over time. Turmeric and black pepper may be two of those small decisions worth considering. If you found this information helpful, let us know in the comments. Have you ever tried turmeric and black pepper together? Do you use them in cooking, or have you tried the warm golden spice drink? Sharing your experiences may help others discover simple ways to support their own wellness journey. If you enjoy healthy aging tips, home cooking, home remedies, and practical wellness advice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future episode. Until next time, stay active, eat well, take care of your joints, and remember that sometimes the most powerful ingredients are the ones already waiting in your kitchen.